Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. I am back with another video in my ways to make money selling in 2024. As always, we're going to jump right into the video. I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we'll be developing today is to invest in producing high-quality, custom design phone and laptop cases with unique prints. For my research, I checked out some ideas and inspiration on Target for different type of laptop sleeves, and I saw a lot of floral prints. The platform I decided to choose today was Zazzle. I've used Zazzle in the past for an array of different products, paper products, stationery things, and wrapping paper as well. So on Zazzle's website, they have different shapes, sizes, and styles of laptop case and sleeves. And I decided to go with a lavender and purple floral design that I created in Canva. And here is the laptop sleeve and case final mock-up. I hope you guys enjoy this really quick video of a new idea and the ways to make money selling in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.